Alright guys, so today we're gonna do a mousse only twist out, and it is by a very popular product. So today we are gonna use the Doux Mousse Def Texture Foam. Has high definition control mousse. I got this from Target for like $4.99 or something, like, not $4.99, $14.99, something like that. So today, as y'all know, I do a lot of mousse wash and goes. I do, I think I did a mousse twist out, or this could be my first mousse twist out. I don't remember. I'll let y'all know down below if this is my first one or second one. I don't remember. But I saw a lot of people on YouTube use this as a wash and go. Not that many people use it as a twist out, and as y'all know, I love twist outs. I love them. I love them more than wash and goes. So today I felt like this will be a very good time for me to try this product. So let's get into the hair. So my hair is freshly washed, detangled, protein strengthened. If y'all haven't seen my latest video of the protein treatment wash day that I put on my hair, click the eye above so y'all can check that out. That was my previous video, so go check that out. But my hair is freshly protein strengthened, moisturized. It's really balanced, like literally really balanced. So I'm not gonna use a leave-in at all. My hair is completely naked, and I feel like I need to put a different shirt on. Let me go do that right quick, because I want y'all to see my hair. I want you to see the goodness of my hair. Alright guys, so this is how your girl's hair is looking. It looks so curly, so defined, so good. Okay, so we're gonna do like medium chunky twist. Probably as chunky as I've been doing them lately. So let's see. I'm gonna take a little section in the black. This little section go in with our most def mousse. So we got our mousse. And take about 3 pumps. That might be too much, but the mousse feels creamy. It feels creamy, like really creamy. It reminds me of the African Pride mousse when I did my wash and go with it. So very moisturizing. I can tell already, guys. Super moisturizing. Like, look at that definition, guys. I see why people do wash and goes with this, so, because it gets like literally every curl. I'm gonna put a little bit more because we are doing a twist out, and I want it to hold pretty good. Okay guys, so I'm gonna split this section in half and twist it on up. Ooh, it looks so good, y'all. So good and juicy. Look at that. It looks so good. Yes, guys. Yes. Twists in my hair. These twists like look super duper juicy, like really juicy, like really, really good. Like I think this is gonna be a good twist out because just how smooth my twists look. They look super smooth. All right, guys. I just had to do that. My hair, guys, my hair looks so good. It's so shiny. Like, look how shiny my hair is. And then each individual twist is just so juicy. It looks so good, y'all. Like, I'm not even mad. And I was gonna do medium twist, medium chunky twist, but it didn't end up happening. The ones in the back is probably maybe not as chunky, but they about the same size. But I was supposed to do medium chunky twists, and then I just ended up watching YouTube and got distracted, but it's okay. So we're here now, and this is how my hair looks. I love it. I love how my hair looks. I would definitely use this boost to do minier twists and like wear them, because the frizz, where is the frizz? Where is the frizz? The fact that you can use this on dry hair, where's the frizz? Nowhere, guys. So I'm excited to see how my hair is gonna look after I take this down. I am gonna let it air dry. I might get under the dryer later on today, maybe after I come from the gym, because I'm about to go to the gym, y'all. But anyway, I'm gonna let my hair dry, and then I will see y'all tomorrow. I'm excited about my hair, y'all. Y'all don't understand. This looks so good. All right guys, so this is the final results of my mousse twist out with the Doux Mousse Depth texture foam. This I will be repurchasing over and over and over again because it is super good. My definition, like, look at that definition, guys. Y'all can't tell me that's not high definition, you know. Look at this side. So much definition. Frizz, where? Just tell me where. Where's the frizz? I don't know. But anyway, so this is how my hair is looking. My hair is moisturized. It's just balanced. If y'all haven't seen my protein treatment that I did with Cream of Nature, make sure y'all check the eye above so y'all can see that video, because my hair is just a balanced on protein, moisture, balance. And then this mousse definition high definition mousse by the Doux is just doing it for me. So this is how my hair looks. It looks really good with all the definition and all the minimal frizz. The Doux does promise that you will have definition and minimal frizz. We're gonna see how long this lasts. I live in Houston. It's not really that humid today. Actually, today is the day that it snowed in Houston. So, and it's gonna be literally in the 30s, 20s the rest of the week. So we're gonna see how long this lasts, if it dries out, anything like that. I don't think it's gonna do that much because we don't got no humidity going on right now in Houston. So I think this is gonna last me a decent amount. I am gonna do a little turnaround for y'all so y'all can see my hair. Alright guys, so that is my final look. So if you made it this far in the video and you haven't subscribed, make sure you subscribe, click the red button and the bell next to it so you can be notified of my next video. Your girl is on a roll with these videos. Thank you for all the new subscribers. I love y'all, and remember guys, you look blessed. Bye guys.